Say hi. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Basically today we're gonna be thrift flipping.
Some of the pieces are thrifted and the last two white tank tops are from Target.
Clothes. I have this thrifted shirt, but now I kind of want to bleach dye it. So I'm gonna do that. If you saw my recent thrift haul, you'll see these are the sweatpants I have. I want to cut these and then possibly bleach dye like the bottom. So what I've seen on TikTok, you want to get the shirt wet first and then you want to like scrunch it. So let me get it wet. And hold on. Let me get the shirt wet. So the shirt is now wet. Scrunch this bad boy into place and hope for the best. And then I have my mixture of hot water and half bleach, and I'm gonna pour it on. And then it's already changing color, so this is fun. So we're just gonna let this sit. So this is the shirt. I just unraveled it. So now I'm gonna rinse it out.
Now here we have Sage. She's getting out all of her tools because I wanted to cut the sweatpants into sweat shorts. And since she is a fashion student, I gave the pants to her and she did her thing. She's measuring it, she's got her chalk out, she's got her ruler, she's got everything. She's got the pens. She's making it perfect for me, which bless her soul. Thanks, Sage. Shout out to you. Love you.
Thanks. Sage is talented and she cut my shorts and they're perfect. So now,
should I do the bottom? Just like the bottom half of the shorts? So it'd be like kind of like an angle type thing? Ooh. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Because then you can always add it all over if it doesn't. True, you're right.
so I'm gonna do like a slope. I can't show you, but you'll see. It's gonna go up with the bleach. Now today is day 2. That was 4, 2. I have this thrifted red tank top that I'm gonna try and bleach dye and see if it does a little something something. I have this tank top and then I have this tank top. First I'm gonna continue to bleach dye things and then I'll switch over to the tie dyeing stuff. I have these 2 colors, teal and purple. It's fabric dye and it's like a powder, so you just like add water to it. So yeah, those are the 2 colors that I have for the white shirt. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this that I do with all of the bleach dyeing. Get this wet, scrunch it up, and then apply the bleach. So for the next thing, we are gonna be tie-dyeing this tank top teal blue and just scrunch it together. I'm trying not to put it in the tub because the tub is still wet from the bleach. So there's this. This is majority water, some salt, and then the fabric dye. I'm just gonna go for it. Done. Now I'm just gonna leave that for like 15 minutes. Now, let's do the spiral technique for this one, but let's focus it towards the bottom. So you're gonna twist. And repeat. Okay, yeah, we're gonna leave these alone. It's been 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna rinse these off in cold water, throw them in the wash. It's so cute.
This angle is really bad, but this is just me putting it underwater, wringing it out, and just repeating that step till I get majority of the color dye out. And again, another bad angle.
Okay, now I'm gonna go throw those in the wash and come back with the result. I'm very, very happy with how everything turned out today. I could cry. Okay, let's go put it in the wash. Everything is done. So now I'm gonna show you the 2 items that I made the other day. And then I'm also gonna show you the 3 items that I made today. I'm all around very, 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 very proud and very, very excited that everything turned out so well. So from the other day, we have these sweat shorts that I bleach dyed. I wanted to do like an angle on them and not do like the whole thing bleached. So the front and the back, and they like, the bleach like crawls up. I don't know, I think it's really cool. Sweat shorts are really in right now, so I thought why not make them more me, which apparently bleaching clothes is very much my thing. This is the Looney Tunes shirt and how it turned out. Very cool, honestly perfect. Like, this is amazing. This is great. This is iconic. It's perfect. And then today, the tank tops. So here is the purple one. The lighting, there you go. This, like, I have no words because I didn't expect it to be this great. And it's great. So, oh my God, there you go. So this is what the purple one looks like. And then I also did the blue one, which looks like this. It has the buttons on the front. Yeah, that's how this blue tank top turned out, like with the crumple technique. I love this. I didn't think the blue or like the teal would turn out more of like a pastel color, so I'm really overall glad that it's not as like opaque. And then the last one, which I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera. Oh yeah, you can see it. This is the red bleach dyed tank top, which like you can see the like the original color is like the red, and then like the bleach just lightened it to like a pale red. This one, I didn't think it was gonna turn out this cool. I didn't think any of these were gonna turn out that cool. Those are all the pieces that I made with bleach dyeing and then tie dyeing. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you want to see me bleach dye more clothes, I will do it because I truly enjoy it. It's a lot of fun, not gonna lie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And you can follow me on my social medias. That will be on the screen and in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.